Let's see how the question are designed, so you get an idea. The question is the designed by one of the subject matter experts by API, and then it's checked by 3 other experts. So practically how the publication effectivity sheet is designed or listed is API does a back calculation in the way that they see, okay, what storage tank inspector need to know to justify, to do his job, you know, so he can do it. So based on that, they put the publication effectivity sheet. So it's very practical oriented, and they don't want you to memorize things unless it's a day-to-day practical sort of type of knowledge of information that would be in closed book. Otherwise, but you should know when you have a problem where you have to refer to which code and standard you have to refer to, and where you have to look at, and where you get the formula or do the calculation. Okay. And then once this question is designed, still it is not a permanent, it doesn't go into permanent set of question data bank or API. It will be a non-scored question, and this will be shuffled together with other questions. That's why out of 170 questions, you receive 30 of them are pre-test question or non-scored question. But you have to answer all of them because you don't know which one is scored or non-scored. And based on that, if that question is not challenged, if the question is level of difficulty is same as other questions, they will assess that. So once it passed the second step, then it will go into permanent set of question. And hence the reason for the pre-test question, they call it. So I've already explained all this here to you, and then, but just you can go and look at it for free. The approximate number of question is from 653, 575 is around 50-55%. ASME section 9, welding code and welding inspection 577 is around 10-15%. ASME section 5 is 10-15%. 71 damage mechanism around 5%, and the rest is, as you can see, 650 construction code is around just 5%. So you don't need to focus too much on that, because that's a design or construction code mostly. But they got the inspection section, and that is that's the reason you need to look at it. 651, 652 together is around 4-5%, and general knowledge around 2-3%, and then safety you should know around 2% of the question. So if you receive your scorecard, it would be the maximum number of cars score against your the area that you have to know. There would be like 5 questions, more or less, from scope and general application. Corrosion mitigation 15, repairs 15, NDE 15, and in that you need to know about procedure, limitation, advantages, techniques, responsibilities, and application. And welding, it is 15. Design, as you can see, there's just 10 question comes, so that's not a deciding factor here. The deciding factor is for you to pass is 575 and 653. Inspection and testing practices 15, and data evaluation is 24. As you can see, there's too many questions coming from here. Role responsibility is 6. So as you said, no negative marking. And you can always, if you have any question, you can come back to me. I think I've explained this well sufficiently, but if I miss something, you can always come and ask me questions.